Hi, this is Chris Bonneau with Sun Collision. I'm the business manager, and what we're going to be showing you here is our new repair package feature. So one of the biggest issues in the industry is the fact that the repair information, putting together repair planning, takes a lot of time and a lot of effort to do research and documentation. We're trying to help bring that down. So all you got to do is click on a repair package here. What it's going to do is it's going to bring back all the information out of your estimating system, all your estimates that you've already worked on, already set up and got all your information for. Select the vehicle or the estimate that you want to work on. And what we do is, based off of the part numbers that you've already entered into your estimating system, we're going to let you know if we have repair information for that. So if you see a green check mark, it's going to go ahead and show you we have information. Once you go through and find all the ones that you need information for, you can click on next steps right here. Once you get into next steps, you can get into some of the nitty gritty. You can dial in your repair plan as detailed as you want to, or you can have it as generic as you want to. You let us know with a green check that you want the information that we have here, or if you don't want that, see that information, you just leave it unchecked. Once you go through all of these spots here that you told us that you want information for, let us know what specific information you want. You can click on the repair package, create package right here. Once you do that, it's going to bring you right back to the home screen. It's going to show you view package. Now what we've already done is we went through all that documentation, put it in one place for you. We're going to click on the view package, and it's going to open up a repair package for you. So this is a 73 page, it's kind of small, but no technician wants to dig through 73 pages of information. So what we've done is we've created a table of contents. Instead of them having to research and find all the data we've already put together for them, they'll be able to click on exactly where they want to get to, and it's going to take them right to that inside of the product. This documentation is used for the repair planning, for the procedures, but also it's used for your estimating, sending it over to the insurance company. So as you're showing them all the work that you need to do on the vehicle and why you need to do it, here's your documentation to back that up. So again, get it in one easy, clean format, very quickly, helps you guys out with efficiency in the shops.